Add calling to WhatsApp's 3 billion users in minutes with Voximplant's WhatsApp Business Calling API. Let's start. First, we will prepare the WhatsApp Business API within Meta's developer portal. You need to have a Meta developer account and a business portfolio set up to proceed. See the WhatsApp Cloud API documentation for more information on creating these if your business does not have one already. You will also need a Meta Developers app. You can reuse an existing one or create a new one at developers.facebook.com/apps. Click on Create an App. Then enter your app name and contact. On the use case screen, click Other. Select Business, then make sure to select your business profile. Once that is entered, you can create app and verify any permissions as needed. Once you are back on the app page, find WhatsApp and click on Setup. Then you should see an area for Quick Start. Click on Start Using the API. From here, you will need to select the WhatsApp number you want to use Voximplant with. Select from an existing number, or you can add a new one by entering your display name and phone number and verifying that phone number. WhatsApp also includes a free test number you can use. Once you are back to the WhatsApp Dev Console, check to make sure you have billing enabled on your account before you proceed. Please note, you may also need to wait for verification if you use your own number. Make sure you see the phone number you set up for this business profile in the WhatsApp Manager under Phone Numbers. We recommend using a test number for your initial testing. Now you can generate an access token. Make a note of the phone number, access token, and your phone number ID. You will need this on the Voximplant side. Note, the access token is temporary. Generate a new one if it expires. Now we will set up Voximplant. Head to manage.voximplant.com. Create an account if you don't have one already. We will also need to set up an application inside the console if you have not created one. Just click on Applications, then Create Application, and enter your application name. Next, we will configure our WhatsApp numbers. Do this from the main system settings or just click on WhatsApp numbers from within the application. The configuration guide there will give you 2 curl commands you can paste into a terminal window. The first tells WhatsApp to route calls to that WhatsApp phone number to Voximplant. Run the step 1 curl command. Then do the same for the second step 2 curl command to retrieve your WhatsApp SIP password. Find the password field in the return JSON and paste this into the password box in the form. Finally, we will enter the actual WhatsApp telephone number into the form and click Save. Now head back to your application and attach the WhatsApp number to it. The next step is to add some logic for handling the incoming WhatsApp call in Vox Engine. To do that, we first need to create a scenario. There is some sample code that plays a simple prompt in our integration guide. Just copy and paste that into the scenario and save it. The final step is to set up some routing rules. VoxEngine allows flexible handling of incoming calls to various scenarios based on filters. In our demo here, we will route all calls to the scenario we just created. That's it. Now let's test our new app. Open your WhatsApp on your mobile, enter the WhatsApp number you set up, and give it a call. Once the call connects, you will hear the prompt from the scenario code you set.
Hello, you have made the call using WhatsApp Business Calling API integration from Voximplant.
That's all it takes to connect WhatsApp Business to Voximplant's powerful serverless communications platform. Visit voximplant.com for more information.